Example 2, same kind of problem. The only difference here, this b is a whole number structure, so it's not a fraction. So its denominator is 1, which has no power over least common denominators. Okay, we still have to make a denominator for it, but it doesn't affect anything. So the denominators here are k and ak squared. So let's start with k. K is a prime number because it can't be broken down. Its highest power is 2. A is a prime number because it can't be broken down. Its highest power is 1. So ak squared is the least common denominator of this problem. Notice I put it in alphabetical order. Not required, but I like alphabetical order. It's one of those things on my list of weird traits of Mr. Klein. I like alphabetical order. So there you go. So I got my big fraction bar. I got my least common denominator, ak squared. I've got my first fraction, m over k. So m still stays on top. Let's go with Braden. It was k, now it's ak squared. What's new? AK. Perfect. Second fraction isn't even a fraction, but it's going to be b times. Okay, what's missing?
AK squared.
The entire thing's missing, so it gets ak squared on it. And the last fraction, let's go with Emily. What's missing?
AK.
Oh, right here on this one.
Oh, wait. Nothing.
Nothing, right? So it is what it is. So that fraction was exactly what it needed to be. So notice that fraction still is cx over ak squared. So I don't have to modify this at all. That denominator was exactly what we needed to be. So that fraction stays exactly what it was. No changes necessary. Everybody see that okay? Get up with it. One fraction bar over everything like that. Just make sure that that fraction's already got the common denominator, so that fraction has no modification. All right. At this point, all that's left is to multiply things together that multiply together. Nothing's the same. MA and K are different, BA and K are different, C and X are different, AK squared are different. This is actually, it can be done right here officially. I don't like parentheses in a final answer if I can avoid it. So, and again, I like alphabetical order. So I would probably go with AKM minus ABK squared plus CX over AK squared. But just know that's also correct right there. I wouldn't count that wrong. But if this was BK squared, I would expect you to get B squared. I want you to simplify stuff to that extent. But the fact that all these letters are different, all these are different, I couldn't really do anything but stick them together. You could be done there.